Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in PepsiCo, complete guide step by step clearly.
To invest in PepsiCo, start by researching the company.
Understand PepsiCo's business model and product range.
Review PepsiCo's financial performance through its quarterly and annual reports. Look at key financial metrics like revenue, profits, and cash flow.
Analyze PepsiCo's market position in the beverage and snack industry. Evaluate the competitive landscape and identify key competitors.
Determine your investment strategy. Will you buy shares directly or invest through a mutual fund or ETF? Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one.
Select a reputable brokerage that offers access to PepsiCo shares.
Fund your brokerage account with the amount you plan to invest. Search for PepsiCo stock using its ticker symbol, which is PEP.
Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget and share price. Place a market order to buy shares at the current market price or a limit order for a specific price.
Review and confirm your order to ensure correctness.
Monitor your investment regularly to track performance and market trends.
Stay updated on PepsiCo news and industry developments. Consider setting a target for when to sell or reassess your investment.
Be prepared for market fluctuations and have a long-term perspective.
Finally, keep all relevant documents and records for your investment in PepsiCo.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.